To the webinar, everyone. My name's Andrew Squilari, and as I would like to start all these webinars and trainings, and obviously today is the Dacxi Coffee Chat. I want to see where the market is today, and of course, it's very exciting for Bitcoin sitting at $22,500, which is very exciting. So if you don't know what that actually means because you're new to cryptocurrency or you're looking at it for the first time, 12 years ago, that was worth 0.0001 of a cent, 3 zeros and 1 of a cent. And now it's sitting at $21,500. Now, back then, no one had any concept of where this new financial system would go. 5 years ago, when I got involved with crypto, of course, we had a concept and a general idea where it's going. But today, November 2020, we really do have a very solid railway line forward, and we know exactly where the industry is going and what's happening with it. So the introduction today is the Dacxi Coffee Chat. So the Dacxi Coffee Chat is just a very simple explanation of what's happening with cryptocurrency. So I'll very quickly go through this. My name's Andrew Squilari. I'm a digital asset strategist. I've been involved with crypto for over 5 years now, and I've seen the Wild West of 5 years ago. I've seen the big explosion back in 2017, and now we're seeing a massive adoption of cryptocurrencies. It's been great to be through this whole industry for many years now and seeing the realities of the conversations we had many years ago affecting everyone globally, and the cryptocurrency space is a very solid area to be investigating further. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not doing investment, financial or trading advice. Make sure you do your own due diligence, see a consultant, your own financial advisors, people you feel have the relevant professionalism to give you advice. But if they don't have crypto, then they don't have no opinion that is worth you listening to. So make sure that they do have cryptocurrency, otherwise it's a waste of time. Now, just to explain exactly where we are now, classic wealth creation. So we've been very, very fortunate in Australia for over 30 years now. We've had a very good shares, property, even in cash management system. It's been going really well up until 2020. We've had a very good growth of all those areas, but unfortunately, they are at the top of their cycle. Shares are at the top of their cycle, properties are at the top of their cycle. Cash management has had a big hit this year, but again, the cash management all is moving into the share market. So we are finding that it's increasingly more difficult, increasingly more volatile to create wealth the way we used to yesterday. And if you still have cash in the bank or you have superannuation funds that have cash deposits, they are severely losing value now, sitting at 0.25% interest minus inflation and tax and fees. You're going backwards by having cash. So the big question is, what are you going to do differently? What are you going to do? Have you thought about where you are right now financially and where you want to be? Do you think yesterday's actions are going to get you where you want to be? You can't use the knowledge from yesterday to move forward. You have to change what you are doing. You have to do something differently. Now, over 12 years ago, this new system of cryptocurrency came in, and now you missed the first wave of cryptocurrency. Now we're seeing the second wave of cryptocurrency. Now, the first wave really awakened everyone to what happened with cryptocurrency. So over 5 years ago, one Bitcoin was worth $270. December 2017, everyone at every barbecue, dinner party, on the news, Homer Simpson, the weather guy, were all talking about buying Bitcoin at $26,000 Australian. And unfortunately, the media said that it wasn't a good deal. You should sell it because it's got no value, and it went down to 4,300. And unfortunately, humanity turned off at that point. They stopped looking at it. They forgot about it. They thought it went from 4,300 to zero. But not everyone did that. The financial institutions got involved with cryptocurrency. So financials like Fidelity Mutual, BlackRock, Grayscale. Now we're seeing a flood of banks get into cryptocurrency. So the China's second largest bank is now doing bonds in cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin now has moved up to $21,000, 21.5 today. And we're seeing this massive big consumer push now. Now, before we can use cryptocurrency in any way, shape or form, platforms have to be built. Before financials got involved, platforms had to be built. So now they've done the financial platforms for the large investment funds. We're seeing the consumer platforms being done. So Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Facebook, Australia Post are all allowing us to buy cryptocurrency and use cryptocurrency. So the consumers are going to flood into cryptocurrency, and it's going to drive this second wave dramatically. And we are only at the start of it. This is going to get very, very big. So this area is not around for 5 minutes. This area has been around for 12 years, and the trend is extremely positive. Financials and consumers are getting in. All it is a matter of when you get involved with cryptocurrency, and there's no doubt that you will. Now, where the Dacxi stands for is Dacxi is the world's first crypto wealth platform. So it's all designed around the normal people getting involved with cryptocurrency on a wealth building platform and making it easy to get involved with cryptocurrency. That's what we do. The main concern with everyone is security. So we've designed the platform all around the Dacxi A+ security rating. So everything we do is designed around security. On top of that, we need to be educated and learn. So they have got an integrated learning platform, teaches you about wealth in cryptocurrency. So the wealth system overcomes any confidence issues. So you become confident in cryptocurrency, so you learn more. You can pick things up a lot easier because you've got a base platform of knowledge, and you've got people within the community and in Dacxi that are going to help you on that learning journey. On top of all of that, the platform is expanding to over 100 different countries over the next few years. So there's a lot of growth potential in this company, and there's a lot of people that are getting involved because they want to get confident with crypto, get involved with cryptocurrency, making sure that what they've got involved with has got that fantastic security rating. Now, because Dacxi makes it easy, they've got 3 different portfolio bundles. So we've got a wealth builder bundle called the blue chip bundle. So you've got Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Daccoin in that wealth builder platform. These are very solid blue chip coins that are going to grow in value, and you can actually create some very good wealth over the next few months, few years, or decades using this wealth builder program. We've got a wealth protection program as well. So it's precious metals. We all know we should have some type of precious metal exposure. We should have some gold, silver, and platinum. And the Dacxi precious metal bundle also provides you a tokenized representation of owning gold, silver, and platinum. And of course, we have the Daccoin in there because that's got to have some growth in it as a growth portfolio as well. And lastly, we have wealth transformation, which is the DAC pack. The DAC pack is the exchange coin, which is the internal currency on our platform globally. This exchange coin is used for crowdfinancing, which I'll explain in another video into the future. Crowdfinancing is the future of cryptocurrency. It's tokenizing assets and it's tokenizing loans. We're seeing a massive move into decentralized finance, and the DAC coin will play a major role in that as the years progress. So they're the 3 portfolio bundles that Dacxi have that you can choose to buy any one that you think resonates more with you, whether you want to build wealth, you want to protect wealth, or you want to make your wealth grow dramatically. There's 3 different options for you to get involved with. How you buy, you'd go to the Dacxi exchange, Dacxi.com, and sign up for an account. And if you've been referred to Dacxi, use the link provided to you by the person that's referred you to the exchange. You select one of the programs that you feel appropriate to you, whether it's a blue chip bundle, a precious metal bundle, or a DAC pack. You put the order in for a bundle, a blue chip bundle or a DAC pack. It's actually a $100 minimum, and you can do up to any amount that you like, but a minimum of $100. And if it's the precious metal bundle, it's a minimum of $200. So put in the appropriate amount, create an account, remembering it's a 12-digit password, 1 capital, 1 numeral, 1 symbol. Once Dacxi receives your money and you verify your account, the company will allocate the coins from your account. Congratulations, you switched over to cryptocurrency. Your assets are now growing again. They are protected outside of the system that is going down in value, and you've moved into owning, storing, and using cryptocurrency into the future at a time that you choose. Thank you for being open to learning, plan for the future, but take action now. You need to learn. Places to learn are Dacxi.com, and the tab to go to is what we do. Click on that Learn tab there, and there's a customer section there that teaches you all about being a customer on the Dacxi platform and cryptocurrency. Furthermore, go to the Dacxi Global Facebook page and the Dacxi Global YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time. Make sure you get back to the person that introduced this video to you. Make sure you get into a learning phase. You don't have a long time to maximize what's happening in cryptocurrency. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.